made your school lunch yet?
No, Fizzy! I've never made a school lunch all by myself.
It's shaped just like Mickey Mouse. Look at the ears up here. And here's a cute little heart.
Welcome to the Fizzy Show! MICKEYMOUSE! Mickey Mouse!
That's me!
Mickey Mouse!
That's me!
I love Mickey Mouse!
Oh, thanks, Phoebe! Hey, Phoebe! Have you made your school lunch yet?
No, Fizzy! I've never made a school lunch all by myself.
Okay, well, let's have fun making your lunch!
Awesome sauce!
Maybe we can make it extra special!
How, Fizzy?
We'll make a Mickey Mouse lunch!
Yay! How are we going to do it, Fizzy?
With the help of a little fizzy magic. Fizzy! Whizzy! Bobbizzy! Bop!
Thanks, Fizzy! Looks like it's time to decorate that lunchbox.
Yes, it is! Miss Hands! We need a hand! I'm happy to help. Hi, everyone. It's me, Miss Hands, and we have Phoebe's pink lunchbox here. And we have a whole bunch of stickers that we need to look at and pick a few to go on this lunchbox. We have Mickey Mouse Ears Donut. Ooh, a Mickey ice cream cone. Something fell. Huh, it's a cute little dog, and it's in a cupcake. Another cute dog. A lightning bolt. A dog driving a car. A dog dressed as a lobster. Popcorn. Pizza. Watermelon. Hey, looks like somebody took a bite of this watermelon. We have a beautiful flower and another donut with Mickey ears. Phoebe, which stickers do you want?
It's so hard to pick, Miss Hands, but we definitely need all of the Mickey Mouse ones.
Okay, I think we have this donut, this ice cream cone,
Love that, love that.
and this other donut.
Ooh, that looks delicious. Harumph.
You know, Phoebe, that's not a real donut.
I know. I wish it was.
Phoebe, there's still a lot of room on your lunchbox, so let's pick out more stickers.
Okay, I really like that one that was a dog and a cupcake.
Okay, this one.
That's the one.
I'll put it here.
How about the watermelon? It looks so yummy.
Okay, one watermelon coming right up. Oh, doesn't quite fit there. Maybe we'll put it right there.
Okay, I like that dog lobster. Does it fit?
I think our dog lobster is a little too big.
Okay, let me think. The dog driving the car.
Yeah, I think that might fit. Let's see if we scoot this one over. And this one here. Yeah, those two fit together.
Oh, there's one more. It's my favorite food.
What is it, Phoebe?
Pizza, pizza, pizza.
Well, here is a slice of pizza, and I think we can make it work.
All right, let's get those on the lunchbox.
Okay, let's get these stickers on, and then we can start making our Mickey Mouse lunch. Okay, Phoebe, look! They all fit on there!
Oh, that looks so good. Thanks, Miss Hands. But we don't have any food yet.
That's right! Round 2 of Fizzy Magic! Fizzy, Whizzy, Bobbizzy, Bop!
Whoa, Fizzy! Some of my favorite foods. Peanut butter and jelly, banana, bell pepper. Thank you.
You're welcome! Hey, Miss Hands, can we have a hand? Yes, you can, Fizzy. Thank you! Okay, look down here. We have peanut butter on this slice of bread, jelly on this slice of bread. So what we need to do is take these two slices and put them together. And we have a Mickey Mouse sandwich cutter. Let's press it into our sandwich and make this Mickey Mouse sandwich. Okay, it's time to check out our Mickey Mouse sandwich. Whoa, look! It's shaped just like Mickey Mouse. Look at the ears up here.
Oh, I love it! It looks so cute. And I bet it's delicious. What's next, Miss Hands?
Up next, we have a Mickey banana.
What?
I'll show you.
Okay.
We're going to take this banana and cut little slices like this. And now, when we take a piece like this and put a piece up here and a piece up here, it looks like
Mickey Mouse! It's a Mickey Mouse banana. I love it. Let's put it in my lunchbox.
Okay, Phoebe. Okay. We'll put the sandwich in here and our little bananas in here. Up next, we have this bell pepper. And I'm going to make it look like Mickey Mouse. Here we go. Okay, let's look at our Mickey Mouse bell pepper. That looks great. And I can go ahead and put that in our lunchbox. And we can use this smaller part of the bell pepper to make hearts. Here's a cute little heart, and here's a cute little heart. And let's put these cute little hearts in the lunchbox.
Oh no! Is that everything? We still have lots of room left in the lunchbox.
Well, Phoebe, I have a few surprises.
Awesome sauce!
Do you notice anything special in these goldfish crackers?
Yes! I see Mickey Mouse in there!
That's right. There are Mickey Mouse crackers in here. Let's pour these in here. And we can add even more.
Miss Hands, this lunch looks delicious, but I love a dessert.
I have a dessert coming up.
Woohoo!
I have gummies for you. And they are not regular gummies. Look, there's Mickey Mouse and Minnie Mouse. We have Donald Duck, Daisy Duck, and Pluto all going in your lunchbox. I have to say, this lunch looks wonderful. It is Mickey-tastic.
I agree with Mickey Mouse. This lunch is awesome sauce.
Aw, I'm so glad you like it. And thanks for your help, Miss Hands. You're welcome, Fizzy and Phoebe. I hope you enjoyed watching, and I hope you have a fizzy, fantastic day.
Woo-hoo!